to go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Macbeth. How you guys doing? I know a lot of you guys are new from Sarah's channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to be installing a JDM A-Star underglow kit for my FRS right here. If you guys don't know, I drive a 2016 Rocket Bunny FRS. They sent me this about 5 months ago, but I wasn't able to install it because my car was part of a hit and run. If you guys want to see the video where I explain more of that, I'm going to leave it down below. But I want to say welcome to you guys. I know there's a lot of people who came from Sarah's channel, so thank you for coming. Hope you guys enjoy my content just as much as you guys enjoy hers. It says it comes with two 36-inch strips and two 40. Really? It says that it comes with two 36-inch strips and two 48-inch strips. So I'm assuming the 48 inches is for the side skirts and the 36 inches is for the front and the rear of the car. All right, let's get this box out of the way and let's see what's in here. Obviously, these are the LED strips. This is the cigarette port for your car. I guess you can connect them. Yes, you can connect the LED strips through a cigarette port. That's pretty cool. It comes with that little red button. And you can also hardwire, which is what this looks like. You can hardwire this. I'm not going to do that. And it comes with some zip ties. That's pretty handy. And I'm assuming this is the Bluetooth. Yeah, so this is the Bluetooth controller. All right, it comes with a little piece of paper that says what app to install on your phone. So it appears that it's called Happy Lighting in the App Store, and you can install it by using the QR code. So I'm gonna leave that to the side so I can install that. And this is the Bluetooth controller, which I'm assuming connects to all the LED strips since it has 4 connectors. First things first, we're gonna make sure that this works. So you don't wanna install all of the lights just to find out that they don't work for you. Pretty much what we're gonna do is take the cigarette port wire and we're gonna connect it to the Bluetooth controller. There's a little button right here on the side where you connect it here. So that's connected. Now you see these 4 wires, they connect into these ports of the LED strips. You're gonna take the LEDs and you're gonna take the clips from the Bluetooth controller and you're gonna clip it like that. So right now I'm not gonna worry which one I'm connecting it to because I'm just checking to see if they all work. So you're gonna find the cigarette port in your car. Mine is a 2016 Scion FRS and you're gonna find it right here where your cup holders are. So I'm gonna take this cigarette port from the LED strips and I'm gonna put it in. Ignore my compressor, it's going off. And we're gonna click it on. And just like that, all of them turned on blue. Perfect, blue is my favorite color. So now that we know all of them are working, we're gonna get into installing the LED strips. What I'm gonna do is disconnect the cigarette port and I'm gonna leave it right here where I can see it. And I'm also going to disconnect the Bluetooth controller from all of the LED strips. The reason why I'm going to do that is because I want to wire this from the outside in. Place these down there and open the hood. Pretty stock, guys, pretty stock. Now that you untangled or kind of untangled your LED strips, you're gonna find the smallest and the longest LED strips. Now the 36-inch LED strips are for the front and the rear, and the 48-inch LED strips are for the side skirts. Just go with your eye, you really don't have to measure, but if you really do want to find out which one is which, you can go ahead and do that. I just know this is longer and these are shorter. I'm gonna start with the side skirts because I still haven't decided if I want to do the front and the rear. I love underglow and I feel like it's a way to express yourself with your car, but I don't know if I want to have it all around. I think I just want to do the sides, but I haven't decided that yet, so I'm going to start with one of the side skirts, which is the driver's side. So the LED strips look like this. and they have double-sided 3M tape that is supposedly weather resistant. And I'm only saying supposedly because I used to have underglow and the 3M did not do very well under my car, but I'm gonna pray that this brand is a lot better. I'm gonna run the first strip of the LED strips through my driver's side front fender, and pretty much I'm not going to stick the LED strips at the bottom of my side skirts yet because I don't know how much I need, like how much length I need in order to wire this through my car. If you guys can see in the FRS, there's these little holes. So what I'm going to try and do is go through here, snake it into here. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's kind of difficult. We're gonna snake it like that. I'm gonna bring it over. When you wire your LED strips, make sure they have no contact with your tires. What's gonna happen if they do touch your tires, you're gonna drive and you're gonna hear a really loud snap. And I'm telling you from experience because it's happened to me before. You wanna make sure that this is nicely tucked onto your fender walls or somewhere where they're not going to touch your tires. I'm just saying. Okay.
Got it. Oh yeah.
Careful. Keep going.
It's getting snagged up on something. Okay.
All right. Now the thing is that there's no access from this side of the car. So I gotta pray that this is long enough to go all the way where the battery is, past the battery, hope it doesn't touch anything, and snake it through where all these wires are for my airbag suspension. So we're just going to run this. Mind you, I haven't put anything into place. I'm gonna use the zip ties to secure everything, but for right now, we're just gonna go ahead and do it just as is. Gotta be very careful. You don't want none of these wires touching nothing. So, do you guys see that hole right over here? That is where I'm going to run this wire through so that it's inside the car. You're gonna come to your passenger side and look under your glove box. The wire snaked all the way over here. So we're just gonna pull that until we have it all the way. So I'm just gonna leave that like that. I'm gonna use the zip ties that they provided in the box to secure the wire to my front fender. So the wire that's going through my Rocket Bunny front fender needs to be attached to my OEM front fender that's in here. There's some holes in the framing, so I think that's how I'm going to zip tie them to secure them. It's not sunny out, but for some reason the clouds are hurting my eyes. Don't forget to wipe down where you're gonna put your LED strips because you don't want dirt on the paint surface or in the bottom of your car surface, because then the 3M will not hold up. So we're going to wipe this down. I'm going to connect it right here. That way it's not bothering my airline. And you want a really tight fit. That way this is not hanging at the bottom. I'm gonna connect it from right here as well. Alright, as you guys can see, it's raining, but I'm gonna finish up this side and I'm gonna show you how it looks. One wire is going to be a lot shorter than the other because this wire is all the way to the driver's side of the car, and this one is the passenger side of the car. So this is going to be a lot longer. In the future, I'm going to clean this up and tuck it away, but what you're going to do is you're going to take the Bluetooth connector and you're going to connect them to the first one. You could connect them to any, but I just want this to be a little bit clean, and we're just going to connect it like so, and we're going to do it again on this side like that. We're going to take the top of the Bluetooth connector and we're going to connect it to our cigarette port plug up here. Put this in a safe spot. I'm just throwing there because nobody drives with me anymore. And I'm going to connect this to my cigarette port. Okay, now we're going to turn on the car. Okay, and we're going to go onto the app. Okay, cool. So we're gonna turn this on like that, and they're on. Yay! Wow, guys, look at how it looks like. I know it's pretty shitty out, but at least they're working. On the app, you guys can change the colors. Wow, that's super cool. There are different colors like that. I wonder if they have show mode. Go over here and go to style, and you can choose anything. You guys can choose anywhere from pulsating rainbow, pulsating red, blue, and let's see, you could speed it up and it's just gonna glow like that. Let's see the rainbow though. That's pretty neat. That's the rainbow strobe. Dude, I like that. Or you guys can do it like that, super fast, or you could slow it down and it's like that, but I like it really fast. Yay, that looks so cool. So as you guys can see, I didn't do the front or the rear, and that's because it started raining and I really wanted to finish. One thing that I do want to say about these LED strips is that I'm not super confident about the 3M tape. So I think what I'm gonna do later on this week is go ahead, buy some glue and glue them onto my side skirts. I know that sounds kind of silly, but I feel like they're not going to hold up, and I really don't want to go through the process of driving and having them drag through the floor, only because these are $100, and even though I got them for free from JDM Star, thank you, I still don't want to waste their product. I think that's pretty good, and it was very easy to do. I give this underglow kit about 9 stars. The only reason why Cody has his on, the only reason why I don't give it 10 stars is because of the 3M tape that's on the LED strips. And like I told you guys, I think I'm just going to try and glue these later. Cody has a different type of kit, but if you guys want to see his, he has them in the front and back and on the side skirts. Oh yeah. You like that? And if you guys don't know, this is my boyfriend Cody. And yeah, and that's his 2014 Evo X, which I can't wait to get my hands on because we have some parts for it. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see ya, bye.